Welcome to the channel. Today in this tutorial, let's see how to run Python programs using Python IDLE, the default Python editor that comes with the Python installation. To use Python IDLE, install Python, go to the official website, download the Python executable file and install that. Then go to the Windows search bar, type IDLE and here you can see Python IDLE, click on that. Here you can see the Python shell, IDLE shell. Here you can see this symbol. This symbol indicates that we are in the interactive mode. In the interactive mode, we'll type Python commands directly into the Python shell and we'll get the output immediately. If I type print, we'll get the output immediately. For example, 2 plus 3, 5, like this. Okay, this is the interactive mode. We'll use interactive mode when we want to test small code, or we want to do quick calculation, or we want to debug small parts. Then next, let's see how to run Python programs in the script mode. And in the script mode, we'll write the Python program in a file, we'll save that file and later we'll execute that file. For this, we need to go to File and New File. Here you can see the editor. So here we can write the program like this. After writing the program, we need to save this file. We can press Ctrl S in the keyboard or here File and Save. Here you can select the location where you want to save the file. Then file name. Here my file name is first. This is the first program, that's why. Then you can give .py extension, but here we can see save as type is Python files. So no need to give .py extension here. Then save. Here you can see the file name first.py. Now to run this file, we need to go to run here and run module, or you can press F5 in the keyboard. Then here we can see the output. Okay, so this is how we can run Python programs in the script mode using Python IDLE. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.